You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary, especially names and words that vary between British English and American English. So, in British English it's said as docile, docile, docile. Now in American English it's generally said rather, you won't believe it, as docile, docile, or docile. It's easy, right? And you got this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps a lot. And more videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.